Hi, my name is Brian, and I'm part of the training team. Today, we'll be going over how to complete your PCI questionnaire. First, you'll receive an email from clientsuccess@lawpay.com, letting you know that your PCI compliance due date is approaching. This email will include your username and password for your PCI account, as well as a link to Control Scan where you'll log in. Once you enter your initial login credentials, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your account. Once this information is submitted, you'll receive an email from Control Scan that includes a link for setting up your PCI account. The first link will direct you to a page where you'll select 3 security questions and set your password. Once your password is submitted, you'll be automatically logged into the PCI website, and you can click the box at the bottom of the next page, agreeing to the terms and conditions of the site. When you're finished setting up your account, you'll be taken to a page called Compliance Overview at a Glance. From here, you'll click the link that says "Click here to start your questionnaire." This will lead you to the introduction page, and you can click the Next button in the lower right-hand corner to advance to the questionnaire. The first page of the questionnaire will show you your company information. If any of the information on this page needs to be changed or updated, you can do so at this time. Next, you'll be asked to enter your merchant type. In the empty field, type in your business type. For example, if you're an attorney, type in attorney and select the provided option that best matches your business. The next page will ask you to select your processing method. Click the box next to Secure Online Payments. The next page should have only one option to select, which is outsourced. Select this option and then hit Next. When you click Next, a pop-up will appear asking if you'd like to add another processing method. Select No. You'll then be directed to a question asking if your business electronically stores credit card numbers. The answer is no. Next, you'll select Yes for the eligibility page, which says you're qualified for the shortened SAQ version and describes the processing method for your company. After the eligibility page, you'll start getting into the qualifying questions of the SAQ. It's important to note that all answers on the questionnaire will be either not applicable or true. A response of false will fail you. But don't worry, we'll take you question by question through the questionnaire. Next, you'll proceed to a series of questions asking how you process credit cards in your office. The first section asks how you handle media. In this instance, media refers to any full credit card information that's written down on paper. If you don't store full credit card information on paper in your office, you'll answer the next 9 questions pertaining to media as not applicable. Even if you receive email receipts from LawPay and print those do not count as media because the receipts only display the last 4 digits of the card number, so you can still answer not applicable. The next 7 questions pertain to unique user IDs and passwords to access the online system. The answers to all of these will be true as long as everyone in your office has separate login credentials with unique, secure passwords. The last 2 questions deal with security updates to your payment solution. Since your payment system is web-based and all security updates are handled by our team, you can answer not applicable to both questions 23 and 24. Lastly, acknowledge and confirm your participation on the attestation page and complete the PCI questionnaire. You have the option to download or print the certificate for your records. LawPay will receive information that your account is PCI compliant, and you can sign out at the top right of the page. If you have any additional questions, contact our PCI compliance team at 866-376-0947.